Hey guys, here's 3 tips on doing renovations on your house and finding the right contractor for you. Tip number 1 is asking your local realtor. If you're in the Metro Atlanta or North Georgia area, go ahead and ask me. I work with a ton of different contractors, and we always need some when it comes to addressing concerns on inspections. So your realtor is going to know a lot of different contractors and help you out there. Number 2 is going on social media and asking your friends. If they live in the area, they might know someone or have used someone that they highly recommend. That's actually how I found quite a bit of my contractors in the past. Tip number 3 is going into the aisles of Lowe's or Home Depot or ABC Supply Co. or if you're from the North Menards, and talking to contractors there at 6, 7, 8 in the morning. It might seem early, but that's when the best contractors are going to be in there getting their supplies for the day. Hanging out, like let's say for example you need to do new flooring, hanging out in the flooring aisle and asking, hey, are you a contractor? I need some work done. That's where you're going to find the best ones. Have a good day.